Just 2 days back, I told this trend, whatever is happening now, whatever you are seeing now is not going to continue. And who is ready to listen to us, right? People don't care, or people doesn't want to, as if I'm just bluffing. People even tell, people come and tell on comment section. If you see the original comments, actually we have filtered so many comments. We have put filter so much. If they try to abuse us, you are not going to see the comments. So in spite of all this, people say I'm just bluffing, I'm just doing that, I'm just doing this, I don't know nothing, blah blah blah, all kind of things they will tell. Let me tell you, whether I know things or not, end of the day I am making money. I am more richer than yesterday, I am more richer than last month, I am more richer than I was last year. So you have to realize this. One way or another, Umar knows how to earn money, right? So why am I all saying this is because there is a trend formation, and this trend is not likely to continue. Markets are not going to move in one direction, and that is what is happening now. What you have been seeing yesterday was a last leg of a rally, and FIIs. I saw the FII data. Till now, FII data has not yet come, but if the FII data had come, we'll check on that. I'm sure they would have been best. They would have sold in huge quantity. Now here we are not anything. It is the just fight between retail FIIs, GIIs, HNIs, institutions. We are just in between. We are just here to give them money, right? In fact, I'm not giving any money. If you are giving money, I'm really sorry about that. So this is how the markets are behaving, and if you believe the markets are likely to go on the upside, I'm really sorry, or I'm really sorry to disappoint you. The markets are not going to go anywhere. It is going to consolidate this event. And what is a very nasty thing is that US markets last 2 days, it was falling like anything, and we were trying to go on the higher side. And today, as of now, as I talk to you, US future is alone up by more than 0.5%. S&P, Nasdaq, everything is up by 0.5%, and still we are on the opposite direction. So contra side we are moving. So this has been a very long time. See, usually what happens is we follow the mother market, which is the US market. But today was a day where we are on the opposite side, or we are moving in the opposite direction, and SGX Nifty is almost flat. And as I told you, SGX Nifty is one indicator or one index or one whatsoever. It doesn't work properly. So participant voice data also, there are lots of things to do, and this channel line is what I posted in our Telegram group. Even today morning I posted in Telegram group that this trend is being respected and the markets are likely to be on the downside. Anyway, since we are talking about Telegram, we have a very vibrant Telegram group where we talk in specific about option selling, stock market, so on and so forth. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Right now, I'll tell you, people, as per what I know or as per what I can see, lots of people are long in the market. Everyone wants to be long in the market, and there is nothing wrong in that. See, if you see it in an investor perspective, if you are an investor, you might want the market to go on the higher side, and that is what is happening from March 2020, right? We have been seeing the market moving from how much, 7,500 levels to almost 18,600 level. That's a 150 point rally. But what is the problem here is that everyone knows, even whether it is institutions, FIIs, GIIs, retailers, everyone knows that Indian markets are highly priced. Still they want to move the market on the higher side. For example, I'll tell you, not HDFC Bank, sorry, if you see the Bank Nifty, today Bank Nifty was down by more than 1024 points. Obviously there is a reason why it is down, because of HDFC Bank. I think there is some rebalancing thing happening on HDFC Bank, and if you note this, HDFC Bank alone was down by more than how many percent? it was down by more than 5.9%, right? HDFC Bank alone was down by more than 5.9%. Now, apart from that, if you see the Nifty chart, Nifty was not falling as much as what Bank Nifty was falling. Bank Nifty was down by 2.34%, but Nifty was not, if you see Nifty was not down by more than even 2%. So you can see the movement or the momentum or the reason why we were falling was because of Bank Nifty and HDFC Bank and all the banks. In fact, all the stocks in banking pack was bleeding and heavy bleeding was there. Some MSCI rebalancing something. So this is what happened today. Now, what can we expect tomorrow or going forward is that we might see a downward trajectory. Now, I'm a bear. You know that I'm a bear. I expect market to at least touch 17,800 levels and Bank Nifty to touch at least 41,800 or even 41,500 levels. Now, you know what happened. Jerome Powell, yesterday I didn't post video. Jerome Powell came out and he gave a very, very negative statement. He didn't give a very negative statement. In fact, he gave a very diplomatic statement. The statement was that he believed that he didn't tell that they might stop or pause the interest rate hike. He gave a very clear indication, or he told that it all depends on how the data is going to come, how the CPI is going to come, how the jobless claim is going to come, or how the other data is going to come. Based on that only, they might increase the interest rate or they might pause the interest rate, is what they told. So he put it in a diplomatic way. So that's what we told in last video also. Even in 2 days back video also, we told we'll have to be very careful. Market may revert anytime, and this is what is happening. We need some kind of consolidation. Market may not go on one direction, and as an option seller, I'll tell you, if the market moves in one direction, it is very, very hard to trade and you don't find premiums at all. Now, if you see Bank Nifty today, I'll show you the Nifty chart today. Nifty today alone moved more than 250 points, made a 250 point swing from 18,100 to 18,200, then again 18,100, then again 18,160, and almost we are closing at 18,060 levels now. It was a swing of more than 200 or 250 points, and despite, you know what the main thing is, this is all happening when India VIX is around 12.3, not even 20 or 24. Nifty and Bank Nifty is acting as if India VIX is over 20. That is what is very embarrassing. India VIX doesn't go high; it is on the lower side. Premiums are on the lower side, and markets are moving like anything. And if you see Bank Nifty, open was, you just see this, 43,000, open was 43,000, 43,600 was the high, low was 42,600. From where to where, 1,500 points movement in Bank Nifty alone. So this makes everybody trading very hard, and that's why we told be cautious. You will always have to be very cautious while trading. And in fact, if I want to tell you something, you shouldn't be doing anything at all. If you want to make money in the market, you shouldn't be doing anything at all, and eventually you will end up making money in the market. And there are very big events which is coming up. Karnataka election is coming up, and Karnataka election, if you want to tell me, I think Congress is leading, and maybe Congress is going to win the Karnataka election. And even if there is some hanging poll, this person, gentleman Devagowda, is in between. Either whoever makes his son chief minister, he is going to go with that party. Either it is BJP or Congress. That we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway, we'll see how things pan out. Tomorrow is a happy weekend. Tomorrow is Saturday and a Sunday, so have a happy weekend. I'm not going to trouble you so much. We'll try to put some good videos in the weekend about trading strategies, so on and so forth. I hope I have summarized all the strategies. And last but not the least, let me check if FII data has come one more time. NSE FII data, yeah. We'll see if NSE FII data has come. I'm sure if it has come, people would have sold in huge numbers. So DAs have sold in around 2,198 crores, and FIIs have bought just 777 crores, right? So let's see how things pan out. Just be careful. Maybe Monday we will gap up. Even if it is going to gap up, I think 18,200 is going to be a very strong resistance in Nifty, and Bank Nifty. When it comes to Bank Nifty, 43,700 is going to be a very strong resistance. So trade accordingly. Trade according to your risk appetite. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.